Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup. And as you can see, we've got the section to add a Google account. Of course, if you've got the Google account currently added to the device in the section where you've got all the accounts, you will be able to simply pick it from the list. If not, you have to add it. So let's tap on add account. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for the separation, so the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill the part after the add section, the add symbol. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got the information about the backup, the Google contact, so it's up to you. I don't want to turn it on. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And here we've got another backup section, so you can check how much space you've got left. You can of course manage the storage, so remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got also the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. So to finish everything, just tap on backup now, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.